Imagine a world where machines can see and understand their surroundings just like humans. This is the promise of object recognition systems within computer vision, a field that bridges artificial intelligence and the perception of visual data. These systems have been revolutionary, reshaping industries by enabling computers to interpret images and videos. By analyzing patterns and characteristics of objects, they provide insights that were previously unimaginable, transforming how we interact with technology. The journey of object recognition begins with data acquisition. Cameras capture images which serve as the raw material for recognition. These images are then processed through sophisticated algorithms, including deep learning techniques. By utilizing vast amounts of labeled data, neural networks learn to identify features and patterns that distinguish one object from another. From distinguishing a dog from a cat to recognizing different brands of cars, the system becomes increasingly adept as it ingests more data, improving its accuracy and speed over time. Once trained, these object recognition systems can be deployed in various real-world applications. For instance, in the retail industry, they streamline inventory management by automatically identifying products on shelves. In the field of autonomous vehicles, they recognize pedestrians, traffic signs, and other vehicles, ensuring safer navigation through busy streets. Additionally, security systems leverage object recognition to detect unusual activities, enhancing safety in public spaces. As these systems continue to evolve, their capabilities expand, leading to innovative solutions that address complex challenges. Yet challenges remain in the quest for flawless recognition. Variations in lighting, angle, and occlusion can hinder accuracy, prompting ongoing research to develop more resilient algorithms. Ethical considerations also arise, particularly regarding privacy and surveillance, as the capacity of these systems can outpace regulations. Balancing technological advancements with responsible use is crucial to fostering public trust and acceptance. The future of object recognition in computer vision is promising, with ongoing innovations that push the boundaries of what machines can perceive. As these systems become more integrated into our daily lives, they hold the potential to enhance efficiency, improve safety, and unlock new experiences. Ultimately, the evolution of object recognition will continue to shape our relationship with technology, making it increasingly intuitive and responsive to our needs.